Don't they usually say the third time is a charm? This is the third time now I have tried to record this. This is all new to me, so bear with me, please. I am going to have you to show you how to add a Google document to your assignment. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to hit the plus. I'm going to go up here and create assignment. And I'm going to put the title as study guide for next quiz. Then the instructions are going to be, make sure you study the attachment for your quiz. I'm going to have a due date of June 27th. Then I'm going to go over here, and the topic is going to be quiz study guide. Whoops. I am using a Chromebook, and I have really learned a lot through this class, not only with Classroom, but also with the Chromebook. So now I'm going to go down here. I'm going to hit the paper clip, and I am going to go up here to my drive. And then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to hit Body Systems. I'm going to hit Add. And as you can see, this was added to the assignment. Then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to hit Assign. And it says it is assigning. And that is all that you have to do.